What if everything you've ever seen, ever felt, ever believed was just part of a school science project? Not yours, some alien kids. Let's say somewhere out there in a dimension we can't perceive, there's a classroom. And in that classroom, a little alien, 8 years old, bored, sticky fingers, just made a simulation. They call it Project Reality. Inside this simulation, things unfold naturally. Atoms behave, stars are born, dinosaurs show up, then leave. Eventually, us. Billions of humans running around, falling in love, writing poems, going to war, believing it all means something, but none of it does, not to them. To them, we're just lines of code and interesting bugs. They only care if their simulation scores an A. Maybe deja vu is just them reloading a save. Maybe your bad luck is just them testing failure states. Maybe the Mandela effect is just a patch update. And one day when they're done, they'll hit delete. No warning, no fireworks. Just click project over, time for recess. And you were part of their homework. Yorb out.